Zeus is halfway under the carport. I pulled him out just a little bit so you guys can see this install. Under the front of your truck, if your Raptor is stock, mine's lifted, so they removed the scuff shield or whatever that's called. You'll have to remove that to gain access up under here. Just letting you guys know that. So I can't help you with that today because I don't know the size of the bolts, but just Google it, YouTube it. You'll find out what size bolts, what size ratchets and sockets you'll need to remove that panel, because you got to gain access up in here. All right, so I'm laying up under the truck. You guys can see that. I got sun rays on my face, probably dirt in my eyes, everything. I'm gonna show you, once you get your scuff panel off the bottom of the Raptor, where to find your factory blow-off valve and replace it with my aluminum one I've got right here. Hang on, y'all bear with me. Right here. There we go. All right, so looking up under here from back to front, I would say. All right, you can see my legs. So I'm sticking out the front of the vehicle. All right, so you're laying like that. You're gonna look over to your left side. God, man, we're under an oak tree and you hear these acorns hitting the top of the carport. I swear I think the squirrels are throwing them at me. Listen to that. That's not my truck, believe it or not. Dear God. All right, how are you supposed to make a video under these conditions? Good gosh. All right, so this pipe here, we have to disconnect with a flathead screwdriver right here. It's just got like a retainer clip, and then we pull this out. All right, when you pull it out, what you're trying to access is right back there. You can actually see one of the screws holding it. That's where we're trying to get to install our new blow-off valve adapter. You can actually see my screwdriver is right there. Popped it right loose. It's just a retainer clip. It's pretty straightforward. Take it off just like that. So it's gonna take two hands, and you gotta pull it off of the tube, and you just pull it down right there, because we're just trying to gain access to this, and that allows enough access just like this to go ahead and remove those bolts. There'll be two bolts holding it. Get that on there, and let's carefully loosen this. Go ahead and take this clip loose, push down, pull that out just like that, because we're going to remove this. I've got this bolt loose. I'm working on the one above it. You can't see it, but you can feel it right there. The 8mm deep well will get right on it. And I'm going to show you guys something else. While I'm removing this, I'm getting oil on me. Dropped some on the ground here, and I'm like, what in the world? That is the main purpose of doing the vent for the oil to air separator, guys. I will add a link in the description for that as well, and you can catch it right here. This should just pop out. There we go. Just like that. That's what we're wanting. All right, so I was just taking a look at this, where this normally would go into the truck. Your blow-off valve adapter is going to go on here like this. I think I'm pretty sure of this. All right, it gives you a few washers right here. Let's see. I think this washer will go right here on the outside, go into the truck, just like that. All right, and I think it's pretty self-evident of where things go. Yeah, right here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Right there. just want to tighten that down just like this. Carefully, these bolts could break, cause you a lot more headache. Go slow. Now we're going to put the factory blow-off valve back on, but it's going to go on piggyback to the adapter. There you see the adapter plate, the factory blow-off valve, and we're just going to plug that right back in. All right, last step, do not forget to button this up right here. You want to put this back. All right, listen to this, guys. Listen carefully. I think it's pretty cool. And there's no adverse effects. Uh-oh. Did y'all just hear that? Sound like the dang tube popped off. I bet you I didn't get that ring clip back on there good enough, because when I accelerated it popped. Hope I didn't lose the ring, because I thought when I put it back on there, you got to make sure you get that up on there. So let me get back to the driveway and we'll check it. Just pulled in the driveway. Let's get back up under here and see what we see. Yeah, tube just popped off. See, guys? See that right there? Yep, that's what happens when you don't get it back together. So that's all it was, just the tube. So I'm gonna take two hands, make sure this is connected really well, and put this in the groove. Yep, see right there? Blew clean off of there. Wow. Yeah.
I got wind chimes, I got squirrels barking or whatever they do. Make that noise. Yeah, yeah. Shut up! Ruining the video. That shut you up, didn't it?
I appreciate y'all checking out my blow-off valve adapter mod. Links will be in the description below. Please check it out. Get yours today. It's a great novelty mod. I need y'all to check out my buddy's YouTube channel.
My name is Rashid, and this is my channel, Me and Car Keys. I am a automotive YouTuber, content creator.
His link is also in the description below. You need to click on it. You need to go over there. You need to visit him right now. He's got an awesome F-150. It'll give you guys some really good ideas. His name's Rashid Mack, and he is a good friend of mine. I'm actually part of his motivational crew. Man, it is awesome. Go check out Me and Car Keys today.